Beef chili recipe origin and brief history. Beef chili, also known as chili con carne, originates from the American Southwest, particularly Texas. It blends Mexican influences with local flavors, featuring a hearty mix of beef, chilies, tomatoes, and spices. Chili became popular in the 19th century, served by chili queens in San Antonio. Over time, variations developed, with some including beans, while purists insist on a bean-free version. Today, chili is a comfort food favorite and a centerpiece of chili cook-offs nationwide. Today, we're making a delicious beef chili, a hearty dish with roots in Tex-Mex cuisine. Chili has a rich history, often associated with cowboys and trail cooks in the American Southwest. It's a perfect blend of spices and ingredients that warms the soul. Let's start with our ingredients. For the chili, you'll need 2 pounds ground beef, 1 medium onion, diced, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 large red bell pepper, diced, 1 large green bell pepper, diced, 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and minced, 2 cups canned crushed tomatoes, 1 cup beef broth, 1 cup kidney beans, optional, 1 cup black beans, optional, 3 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Optional toppings include shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream, chopped fresh cilantro, sliced green onions, and crushed tortilla chips. For tools, you'll need a large pot or Dutch oven, a wooden spoon, a knife, a cutting board, and measuring spoons. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced onion, garlic, and jalapeno. Sauté until softened and fragrant, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the ground beef to the pot, breaking it up with a wooden spoon. Cook until browned and no longer pink, about 6 to 8 minutes. Drain any excess fat if needed. Stir in the diced red and green bell peppers. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until slightly softened. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir well to coat the beef and vegetables evenly. Stir in 2 cups of crushed tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, and 1 cup of beef broth. If using beans, add them at this stage. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Taste and adjust seasoning as needed. Serve hot with your choice of toppings. For extra depth of flavor, add a teaspoon of cocoa powder or a splash of beer. If you prefer spicier chili, add more jalapenos or cayenne pepper. Chili tastes even better the next day, so consider making it ahead of time. Bring a taste of Tex-Mex to your table and share your chili creations with us in the comments. The recipe and procedure are in the description section. Have a great day ahead.